Hey everyone, and what you're looking at here is what I consider Brooklyn's strangest hotel, the Harbor Motor Inn on 1730 Bay Parkway. Stay tuned and I'll tell you why. All right, so I'll say it right from the get-go. No reservations. You can't make reservations in this place. I mean, have you ever heard of a hotel or a motel where you can't make reservations? Maybe on Route 66, walk-ins, stuff like that, boutique hotels. No reservations. Okay, I've heard of it before. Typically, when you call them up on the phone, then they'll make reservations for you, whatever. I called them up on the phone. Still can't make reservations. What the heck's going on? So, I lived in Brooklyn 50 years of my life. I mean, I know it's a small motel. I know it's probably, back in the day, there was the Golden Gate Inn. There's probably some shenanigans going on there. But we're going up for a wedding. Short, quick thing. It's in the proximity of everything where we want to be. All the favorite stuff that I like to do in Brooklyn. I got to call up. I got to find out. Call up, talk to the lady there. No reservations. And then I'm looking at the website. I'm like, what the heck? So here it is. So I'm looking at this, their website now, right now. I got to show you this. So it tells you about the history. Now, I know from going there when I was younger, it used to be a racquetball club. The racquetball club closed. I joined it when I was in high school, Bishop Ford High School. Shout out to all the alums out there. And what's so weird about this whole place is you're going to see 56 rooms, direct TV. All right, 2-star hotel, nothing totally crazy. But wait till I show you the best part. So it says contact the Motor Inn and all, so you look at this and it says, rates are for 1 or 2 people, queen-size beds, all that good stuff. But now Kerry is sitting next to me when I'm looking this, and I see this, short stay rates. Check in anytime, check out 4 hours later. Weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, $88. Weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, $98. Kerry's like, what? 4-hour stays? I ain't staying there. Overnight rates, $136, $156, reasonable. No pets are allowed. But, we do not offer any discounts. They take Visa. But, I tried email, but this was before the email thing. But, I'm not going to pass judgment on anything, but it's just so strange. And like he said, well, why would I want to stay at this place? I don't want to stay there now, but it's so strange. So I'll give you a general idea of the proximity because there's literally no videos of this place. So basically for me, this is in proximity to a lot of the things that I miss about Brooklyn, which is L&B Spumoni Gardens. It's right near Coney Island. My favorite bridge in the world, the Verrazano Bridge. There's a shopping center, literally walking distance. This is at Target. They got a great pizzeria over there. You're right by Coney Island. The views behind BJ's are incredible. I can show you from my video. I'll show you that in a second. There's a Target right there. There's an Olive Garden, a Kohl's, a Skechers, a Five Below. And this view over here is just breathtaking. And there's a little theme park there called Adventurers, which I went there when I was a kid. So and actually, let me stop this. So let me just show you with this pointed thing right here. So basically, right over here, this is the Verrazano Bridge, right? A lot of people don't know this, but this is where the British landed all their ships and their troops for the Revolutionary War, for the Battle of Brooklyn, how Britain got into America. It's right over here. Also, if you're a Saturday Night Fever fan, the John Travolta bench is right over here as well. Another reason why I love this area is because right down here along Shore Parkway is probably one of my most famous videos, about 50,000 views, of the most secret gate in Brooklyn. I propose that there is a tunnel underneath the Verrazano Bridge which connects Fort Wadsworth on the left to Fort Hamilton on the right. So it's just a lot of interesting spots over here for me. So obviously we could stay with family and but Kerry's allergic to cats. Some of them have cats, and we just wanted to be able to tool around a little bit in between visiting family. And it's going to be such a quick trip, and because we're going to be in New Jersey for the wedding. So it just was very strange to me. And there's, what's funny about the hotel too, what makes it so strange? There's no videos of the hotel online. There's no, think about it. Not one YouTube video on the Harbor Motor Inn. Well, there will be now. And, I find it amazing. Like I said, when I grew up, there was the Golden Gate Inn. If anyone's watching this from Brooklyn, the Golden Gate Inn, I never went there, but that was the place people went to for afternoon delight, as they used to call it, right? And I don't know. So we'll let you know what ends up happening. But I just had to do this little video of just what I think is the strangest hotel in all of Brooklyn, strangest motel in all of Brooklyn, only because they don't take reservations. And like, maybe it's better I found this out earlier, and who knows. But I just wish I would have gotten Carrie on here, because Carrie could be animated and always gives her opinion and a half on my videos. And but anyway, who knows?